Good morning, everybody. We're at Fox Trailer Sales and Manufacturing in Post Falls, Idaho, and we came in today to pick up a new toy hauler for our motorbikes and our ATV for our son. So we're going to have some super fun, some naughty donkey fun. And anyway, if you need a smoking deal on a trailer, come see my buddy Tim Elder here at Fox Trailer Sales, Post Falls, Idaho. Later, guys. So we just picked up this 2021 KLX 300R for Gina. Should be plenty of spunk, and got a pretty good deal on it. But all in all, I think we're going to be real happy with it. Up in Sandpoint, Idaho. Part of a new stage in our lives. We got rid of the street bikes and super high performance road racing. We're going to do some dirt fun and just tear it up. So just picked up our trailer, so we're dropping the bucks today, but